How to cancel NGL Pro Subscription. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can cancel NGL Pro Subscription. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. In order to cancel your subscription, you have to open up the Google Play Store. So open a Play Store in your mobile device. After that, head over to top right and tap on your profile icon. After that, under this menu bar, you have to tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on it. Under this page, you will have an option as Subscriptions. You have to tap on it. Now under this page, you will be able to find all the subscriptions. So from there, you have to find NGL Pro and tap on it. Now, tap on Cancel Subscriptions. After that, you have to follow all the prompts carefully. So follow all the prompts and the instructions given in the interface. Then you'll be able to cancel your Pro subscriptions. And after cancelling, you can still use NGL Pro until your current bidding cycle ends. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.